Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is the Bonaire 12 volt inflator, and this thing is really compact and amazing. I'm gonna get to my favorite thing in about this just a second, but it's very compact. There's different attachments you can get for this apparently to attach to like a raft and stuff like that. I haven't used it for any of those things, but just check this thing out. It has a nozzle that goes right onto your car tire, and you can set, my favorite thing like I said is you can set the PSI on this, and just you set the PSI, and I'll show you that in a video here right here, and then you just hit run, and it inflates your tires, whatever you're inflating, up to that exact PSI, and then it's done. It'll shut off, and then you move it to the next tire, set the PSI. Hopefully all your tires are the same PSI, but you just set it to that PSI, let it run, and it'll just do everything automatically. And that is my favorite thing about this, as well as it being very, very compact. I take this thing off-roading with me all the time, just in case I want to air down my tires and then refill it. It also has a flashlight, which is convenient as well. So runs just straight off of your 12-volt connector in your car. Has its own fuse. It comes with an extra fuse as well in case that ever pops. Excellent product, guys. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.